Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well in these challenging times. And today, I'm super excited to bring our second revenue impact talk with Olga Kubassova from Image Analysis Group, IAG. She's a mathematician with over 10 years expertise in actively managing innovation in life science companies. Olga has been a healthcare innovator and biotech investor with passion for improving people's health. She has co-authored over 60 publications, books, and book chapters. She has become a scientific advisor to the UK government and EU funding bodies. Olga's ambition is to bring truly disruptive technologies, artificial intelligence, and best of machine learning to clinical practice and research while expanding IAG's footprint and partnerships. So, Olga, let's start with knowing your role in IAG. We would like to know your experience in general.
Thank you, Nikita, for the introduction. Yes, so I'm the founder and CEO of the company. IAG is an imaging expert company with a core technology Dynamica, and we focus our efforts on optimizing drug development. And of course, COVID times are very interesting for anyone in clinical research. Beyond the fact that we all need to adapt to a new way of working, we also need to think about the speed, the cost, and the quality, the clinical trials, and really focus on the factors which can improve those.
Okay.
Is that okay, Nikita?
Yeah, absolutely. So my second question to you, Olga, would be, what do you think would be the change in revenue mix in the next 5 to 10 years in your industry? And what, according to you, is the current scenario in your industry?
I think in biotech and pharma industry, the revenues will be impacted by the direction we take in our clinical research studies. Of course, while there has been a lot of focus on development COVID drugs and COVID vaccines, there are also other therapeutic areas which cannot be neglected. I could see that revenues for anyone who is in clinical research are obviously centered around where we focus our development efforts. And trials are now becoming faster and more intense rather than, so the sponsors, rather than spending time on longer, maybe less conclusive trials, want to make them faster and more informative. So here, I think revenues will be impacted positively by faster research, more shorter, faster trials, and more successes.
Okay. So my next question would be in relation to the question I asked you before about the revenue mix. So what do you think would be the changes at your client's end, and how will it impact you and your company?
So a lot of our clients in immunology, rheumatology, oncology, and neuro-oncology clinical indications. So those indications clearly suffered during the development of simply because they couldn't be in the hospitals, they couldn't take specific scan to be followed and to assess treatment. However, as we're coming out of COVID and the world is returning back to normal, we see accelerated recruitment of patients, and we see accelerated number of procedures to catch up and really take the time which we lost on during COVID to accelerate our drug development and to really bring that to the point like we did never before.
Okay. And my last question to you would be, what suggestions you have for the leadership in your industry?
That's a very good question, Nikita. So for leadership, for anybody in leadership role, I think we all understand that perhaps there is no straightforward path to go back to normal, and we have to rely on people distributed around the world working from home making them efficient and making them enjoying their work. So we see that you need to put much more technology in place to have a clearer efficacy, you have to put much more technology in place to have clearer understanding of efficiencies. You have much more robust processes to really account for the lost communication, lost person-to-person communication. And of course, you need to really make sure that there is a spirit and the culture of the company is within everybody's interactions, conversations. And so while we might not see each other in person, you have to really think about people as a team and really focus on that team spirit and high performance. And as a leader, of course, that's a priority for me.
That was a great answer and amazing suggestions, Olga. I really thank you for these wonderful insights, and it was indeed a pleasure to have you with us for our iTalk video. And we look forward for more such engagements with you in future. So thank you so much, Olga, for your time. Have a great day. Take care.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.